Before I came to Romania, lots of people warned me, be careful there, what are you doing there? Because they have got a bad reputation. They are called thieves, burglars, they have pickpocket gangs. So I came to Timișoara in West Romania to check out Romania, and the Romanians I really like, so stay tuned. My first impression is not too bad. They've got beautiful parks, gardens here. Look at it. And there's a light festival going on tonight. I'm here in the city center at the Liberty Square, which is one of the oldest squares here in Timișoara. This is where people settled down and the city started to expand, and it is surrounded by really old buildings like this one, which is a military building, like that one over there. And look there, on the facade it says West City Radio. I don't know if they nowadays still stream radio. And this here is another square in Timișoara. It's called Square of the Union, and it is surrounded by really beautiful buildings. Look at them. And as you can see, there's any spectacle going on tonight because Timișoara is candidate for the capital of the culture in 2021. First city in Europe with electrical street lighting in 1884. So at that time Timișoara was really advanced. And that here is one of the older drums which are imported from Germany. As this city was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, there are still so many German signs here. For example, German theater. And this square here is called Square of the Victory. That's where in 1989 the revolution started against the communism regime.
Right. So
look at these beautiful gardens. Does that look like poverty?